Here, I sent it in coding.
Alright, fix. It's easy enough. Every country.
Oh, I just noticed that British Guiana is owned by Canada, and I'm disgusted.
Hello, dog. Dog is not here with me. It's a puppy.
Oh, it's completing automatically.
Woo!
Is it because
Yeah, I had that problem.
Wait, no. No. Okay, I actually think it's just your. What happens? Okay.
Yeah,
What happens if I do 100?
Did you just
Check my
did
screen.
half of your focus tree disappear?
My focus tree just fucking vanished.
Yeah, because you probably fucked up a bracket. Go back to your code.
You're missing a relation and then bracket, which means you have one focus that just goes on forever, and the rest of it is hidden somewhere.
Go back
No,
to your
this is
code.
Secret
Oh my-
lake.
Oh my god, I forgot how ugly the event code is now that I care about your
Yeah, I gotta.
presidents. Just,
Oh, all my ideas have disappeared.
I didn't help. Oh shit.
oh, that's cool. So hang on, if I have 62 popularity points when I play, let's do the SDAPD.
Bottom.
Okay, there we go. This grab has to be a core fucking up for some reason. Shit. Right, I found it. I found the issue. And I fucked up brackets, so yeah.
We really got to add more operative slots. I want more spies.
There we go. I think I fixed it. And I did. Let's go. Whoop whoop. Trey, it does it twice for some reason. There we go. That works. Let's go. Let's see here. Do we have an immigration thing, or would it just be monthly population?
Yes.
Yeah, that'd just be monthly population.
I think we have an immigration law.
We do. Yeah, we do.
Yes.
But Canada's already on open borders.
Oh, okay.
Oh, really? -10 stability? Boo.
Those
Those will probably be rebalanced. Those will be rebalanced for sure, I would think.
Okay, so is there just a modifier for monthly population? Oh, check. Nope, no results. All right, is there a modifier for monthly population?
Yeah.
Yes.
But you gotta create an idea.
Create an idea.
So you gotta go into
For this?
you gotta go.
Add...
You're only streaming your Hoi 4. You're not streaming your VS Code, so I can't see what you're coding.
You want me to stream the whole screen?
You do. I don't care, but I'm just telling you. So if you go into common ideas, then KRG underscore can underscore ideas, and then you want to copy one of the existing ones over, do like can underscore citizenship act or something, I don't know, and then put a picture, and then the modifier you want to do monthly population plus equals like 0.05 or whatever you want it to be. If that's 5%.
I remember Canada, there was already another idea within the game. the growth rate actually just not. It's just not there at the start.
This is it. What is playing? Where am I down? Properties. Total files. Oh, it's on drive C. Right? Oh, that's the driver. Never mind.
Nice. Okay.
Oh, we're at the point in the playlist where it's just the Internationale playing like 8 times in every different language.
No, it's the wrong one.
Okay, that worked. Okay, so it's an issue with the
Oh, I just leaked something I shouldn't have leaked. Oops. Hope we saw that. Okay, you know what? It's probably
Switch.
easier, Kennedy, if you just post it in the coding channel what you want to show me because the screen's super blurry and all that jazz.
Oh, I'm not showing you anything.
Oh, I mean, like when you show me how to add in monthly population.
Go to. Okay. Please use some creative thinking here. Where do you
Bro, I
think?
have never done this. I am the kind of
Okay.
guy who needs to see an example.
I know, but the best way to learn is to like honestly try and figure it out yourself. You want to go like it's an idea, so go into the ideas folder, open the Canada file, and see how it looks there.
It's empty.
So look at someone else's
You're
file.
looking at the wrong one. That's the vanilla one. Go to KRG_can. I don't know why those files still exist, but we.
Also, are you talking about the modifier? Because you could just have the Hearts of Iron 4 wiki page or modifiers open on one side.
Oh, yeah.
And every single one you need is going to be there.
Wait.
Hooray! Oh, that is sex. My fucking god, that is awesome. Nice.
Here we go.
Woohoo. Okay, so the 1951 elections are really good. I need to build some post-52 content then.
I will replace. Why? Right now, you could just replace. If you're on like stagnating economy, you could just buy steady economic growth for one political power.
Yeah, that's how it works in real life, isn't it?
Feel we're gonna set my economy to failing. It's all part of my 5D chess.
Could you imagine your country, you're just sitting there like, you know, we could have a better economy, there's just no political willpower for it.
It's the politicians won't do it.
Oh, it's pissing it down here. Holy fuck. That is enlightening. Alright, I'm just gonna go and check it on a couple of people.
Why does CSA have cores in GLG? I don't know. I forgot to remove it.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay.
God, all these ideas are gonna absolutely nuke Middle Africa. I love it.
Why can I see Bread's name lit up, but he's not saying anything?
Probably my keyboard. It's very loud. Because they clickety clack.
What kind of cherries you got on there?
Oh,
Red, like
think
proper
red.
communists should have.
I'm on brown.
Okay. You know what I hate? I need to figure out a good way to build focus trees in real time. Because having my current one be like the third damn focus tree, every time I save it, it just refreshes back to the first one, which is annoying.
Oh man, why can I not figure this out? Because for some reason I go on the completion reward for focus and I put a type in monthly population. It doesn't add anything. It doesn't.
Yeah,
it doesn't
because you
see
can't.
that
You
as
have to
a-
put a modifier in an idea, as I've said. You can't just tack a modifier onto a country. So you have to create an idea with that modifier and then add the idea in the focus effect.
Okay, so the idea should be linked to the focus itself.
Yes.
Yeah, the focus can add an idea, and then the idea will have a modifier.
Okay.
It's a
That
bit
makes sense.
arse, but yeah, it's how it is.
Oh boy, that's some tasty effects.
Okay, I think I finally figured out how to do this now. But okay, just to explain for anyone who's watching the VOD and is so confused about what I'm trying to do, I want to explain myself. So I'm trying to do an economic kind of program decisions category for the 1953 or 1949 presidential candidates, and so I wanted I want the category to have a mission that counts down until the next presidential election, so you kind of know how much time you have. But you can start the category anytime the player decides to take these focuses. So I wanted the mission timer to be dynamic based on when the next presidential election is, and figuring out how to do that was a bit complicated. But I think I've got it with the help of the amazing Alpinia.
I was gonna say you just want to get the date variable, don't you?
Yeah, you got to do number of days, but it counts from the year 0.
Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah. I knew that because I have the.
Nope, it didn't work actually. I don't know why it didn't. Still not working.
Don't you need the number of days when the election should happen, then subtract it from get current date?
Yeah, no. So you have to do. You have to set a variable from the game start until
Whenever the election is, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's your maximum value.
No, not from the year 0 until when the election is, and then select and then subtract the number of days from that number. So the number I've got is 713,156, and then you have to subtract global.num days from that. But that's not actually working.
Year 0? I don't think that's right.
It is from the year 0.
Okay, so how do you add in a modifier as a completion bonus?
Add ideas.
Ideas equals curly bracket left.
Then the idea you want.
But
you have to define that idea first, obviously.
Yeah, I already defined the idea. I'm just wondering how to add it. So I'm guessing it doesn't look like this.
Okay, I don't know if you can hear the rain here, but it is loud. So I think.
We actually cannot.
Oh, lucky you.
Hey, you might get some floods there too. We're part of a club.
No.
Oh, I add ideas equals. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, it's simpler than it looks.
This was the dumbest thing I've ever done. Remember, guys, order matters. Someone
Did you
is.
forget how to do
If
math?
people are actually watching this VOD, I doubt people are going to be watching this far in. But if someone is and they know how to code, they are
Hi,
laughing
say hi to
so.
Mom.
This is where I'm gonna hide the most exciting leaks.
This is
Now, I can show you the craziest stuff, and no one will ever see it.
I mean, to be fair, you can just timestamp it.
Don't give them ideas.
Well,
but
there's already been some posts to the Reddit of stuff that we've shared just on screen briefly, so you know.
Oh, I haven't seen that. Oh,
no, but anyway, as I was saying, like if you hold on, Demesis, you're showing the Discord. You shouldn't do that.
I didn't mean to. I wanted to get. Yeah. I shouldn't have.
That's how it is, right, Damascus? Code-wise?
Yes, I can't really tap out and look. Don't ask me to look. Someone else look.
The most
Okay,
finished
Candy,
is
can you look at
probably
that?
Sardinia.
It's just completion word add ideas equals the idea I had.
No,
Yes.
you don't need the equals yes.
Oh, is that
No,
still
I
there?
didn't. Oh, I there's one more on the bottom there.
No, so the first one is right, but you don't need the equals yes. It's just
Oh,
standalone.
okay.
Really? I have it in both ways. And it works. Whatever.
You can do either way. You can do either way.
I'm
That's
not gonna
fine.
do equals yes because that's easier.
The equals yes is always wrong, but you can either do it with brackets or without. You want the brackets if you're adding multiple ideas.
Okay. So does the first work and does the second work? Do they both work?
Yeah. It's more
Okay, they both
if
work?
you have multiple ideas, you would want to have like the brackets.
But otherwise, add ideas equals that one idea works.
Yep.
Okay. What is whatever? I'll just do it like this.
Please tell me this worked. Yes! Let's fucking go! Alright. This is why I mod, boys. That sense of accomplishment. Why is Shiro just alone in the Dev Voice Chat channel?
I have no idea. He's just vibing.
A stream of one.
So, okay.
Okay. So now that I've actually done that...
Games Charles Campbell, which grants. What the fuck did I do wrong?
You haven't localized it, so it will generate an automatic name because it will assume it's a minister. So it probably is your.
Does it give the effect correctly?
idea, yeah.
If it gives the effect correctly, then you did it right.
just says that. I mean, my stream's open. You can just check it.
Oh yeah, looks like the idea itself is.
Yeah, you
fine.
didn't do the effect right. So you want the effect, dude. When coding, the other huge friend is the wiki. Okay, we don't have all this code memorized in our head usually. Like you use the wiki all the time.
Yeah, I always have it open on one tab.
I usually have like 50 wiki tabs open at once. So
I can't have more than like 6 tabs. Sorry, carry on.
so Hoi for modding modifiers is what you want. And so it's monthly underscore population equals 0.0 whatever. It's a percentage. So, 0.01 is 1%.
Yeah. Yeah, I did that. I mean, I can show you the code for the idea.
Sure. Show it.
Yeah, I am gonna.
Well, you definitely don't want it to be 40%. That's extreme. That's way too.
Because like adding it, adding expanding the citizenship act, and that basically opens it up to like all like non-white.
You want like no more than 10%, I would say. And that looks right though. You've got no CW tools errors like that. That's right. You probably just need to restart the game. You probably just need to restart the game, and localize it properly.
All right, so I'm
if you code for like a month or two, you understand like when you have to restart to get things to like look proper.
Okay, I saved it. So where's the localization for ideas?
It's in the same regular Canada localization file. All the Canada localization stuff is in the same file.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let's actually add some decisions to this now. Timeout effect. Okay, we don't need any timeout effects or complete effect. By the way, okay, Kag's not in this chat. In reference to what just happened in the dev chat, he will be the only one who won't be able to agree with us on it. Just for the record, nobody can agree on. He won't agree with us. Anyway,
What are the countries that has content 0.1, which is most finished? I would say England, right?
either England or Sardinia.
Yeah, I think no, it's Sardinia. That's playable for almost the entire time period, isn't it?
Yeah, Sardinia's almost done.
Yeah, Sardinia's almost done. Hey,
Yeah, he makes.
I
me
wonder
feel-
if we'll get the Irredentista to do a stream for that. That'd be cool. If he like. Okay. No, what are you pinging him for? Why are you pinging him to finish Sardinia when it's done? Why don't you finish Canada first, dude?
it's a joke. Fuck. Jesus.
Don't fuck
Just
Jesus,
humorous.
children. It doesn't like that, does it? Okay.
What are rocket sites? I don't think I've ever built that building before. I might have to do some weird stuff there. Okay.
You've got to have rocket sites. Otherwise, how are you going to shell New Orleans? Yeah, you know what? I don't think I actually have it in me to do something meaningful. I can't sit around and chat shit for a bit. I don't think coding is going to happen in any meaningful sense.
That's how it be.
It really hates numbers. Okay.
Okay, so just add that above it. All right, works for me.
There we go. Okay.
Carmen, this you gotta expand yourself.
Fuck's sake.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Did I mute myself? Oh. Just been sitting here screaming into the void.
Nice.
If in doubt, scream.
Right. What's that?
Are we getting real bread streaming hours?
I mean, I can do.
Well,
I'm just gonna push something.
yeah.
You should give the people what they want, which is Middle Africa sleep.
Have we
I'm trying
ported
to think what I
over?
can work on. Have you ported over what the new states?
No. The decision, the new decision icons from Kaiserreich. I don't think we have. They added so many good ones.
Decision icons? I don't think so. We've done the ideas, I think, because it broke all
Yeah,
my
no,
idea
they
icons,
recently
so-
added a ton of real, like, very necessary generic decision icons that were really good. We need to add those over.
What if I work on that doesn't give too much away?
Nothing.
Well, I mean, there's a certain amount that's going to come out eventually anyway. So I will not be, showing off
I'm just wondering,
certain
like,
elements.
with focus trees, does it just load the top one in the file every time? Or can you define it somewhere? Because I want to build and test the post 51 election tree. And dear fucking god, I don't want to have to trigger a file.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, I think you have to make it so that's like the base focus tree. And
Okay,
then
I
it'll-
added in the monthly population thing as a spirit idea. Let's go.
Okay, maybe I'll just try and do it in my mind then. Build the tree and then go from there, and then see if it looks like absolute garbage. To be honest, it's always just X. You just do relative position, the focus you just created, and then X -1, X +1, Y1. Always works every time.
let's restore that. Break everything.
Oh, that one's easy enough. Let's check burns neat.
Dun, dun, dun. I have too many things.
Is it okay to use healthcare spending as like welfare spending?
No, there's a specific welfare one.
Oh yeah, small service.
What
spending.
is service spending supposed to represent?
It's supposed to. That's supposed to be like general welfare.
Maybe we should rename that
I
then.
was right to put it at 0. Excellent.
There we go.
This is Middle Africa. You need a special reverse one where you actually gain money from exploitation.
I mean, they're all either low or no. So, come on, let's show the people a bit of
Yes. Go watch his stream.
of all the Middle Africa.
So my stream is going to be me watching bread stream. Okay.
You're gonna have multiple screens of it. Yeah, I mean, Middle Africa's doing pretty well. I mean, it's one of the more developed nations.
I wonder what that button does at the top.
Yeah, who
At the top
knows?
right
Who knows?
makes the game go. Hey, have you got the latest AI strats installed, Bread, on the Africa branch?
How recent are we talking? Because I did just push
Last
them
couple
from
of
master.
weeks.
Yeah.
Oh.
It should be.
Run the game about 20 days, and you'll have some interesting colleagues.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I mean, if I run the game 20 days, there's going to be about 70 bazillion events pop up. So,
Just spam through them quickly, you know. That's fine.
alright.
Just
Is it because they all come to the Portuguese border and the South African border?
and France. And France.
And France.
Yeah.
I mean, it is an absolutely massive front, so
But it's ridiculous.
so I see why the AI shits the bed. They
Yeah.
shouldn't.
Oh,
but,
go on.
I mean,
Just run it 5 days and you just start seeing them hopping onto boats.
it happens with a certain something as well. I mean, I can see that here comes Danubia already. Someone played Flight of the Valkyries.
Dun, 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 dun. It's funny though, because they won't go and defend Finland, but they still go and defend
down.
Round the Horn of Africa come the Danubians.
Wait a minute, why the fuck? Some events should have definitely fired by now.
That's mildly
People
concerning.
fucked my shit. Because I'll be very angry if my shit's been fucked. How many days in are we? 24. Yeah, that is bizarre. Where
Okay.
is?
I'm going to stop watching. Yeah, I'll give the people some content. Oh, this is.
Okay, military tree effects is something I have no idea what to do. That I'm
Just-
gonna need like a second eye for.
Just go and write events that give bonuses. That's what I do.
I'm gonna restart that.
There's a lot of events. You want to see? Okay, I'm going to quickly stream my shit. You want to see how big his military tree is?
Have you seen how big mine is?
Yeah, yours is huge, but
Yeah, I'm only halfway down mine. Everything below like
I could probably do like
probably
I could
couldn't
try to do
third
a military
row,
event a
I
day.
gave up on. Yeah, I
It
should do
doesn't
that
have
one
all
day.
of Chad. It has, I believe, there are some border changes. That
Oh
need to
shit!
be
No,
done.
fuck. Oh
in,
no,
like,
these all had descriptions.
chat.
Fuck, what happened to them?
As always, this is work in progress, pre-alpha, etc.
Fuck! No way! No, I don't know if the descriptions fucking fuck disappear. They all had
Localization
descriptions.
file, man.
It's probably just a
Shit.
missing bracket. Stop like
There
crying
we
about
go.
it. Jesus.
No, it's all present. It's just nothing has got localization. So Larry's
Oh,
not
Jesus, I
crying.
gotta go check. What the fuck?
Oh, are you an amateur?
I'm gonna let's see that event, but the events aren't fucked, so you're off the hook for now at least. That was my own fault.
Did
Okay.
you just have your game set up not to notify you when events fired?
No, it was because I unstashed some changes, so the event file got reset.
Yeah.
Relaunch.
Oh, when did you change that icon for the expand the Afrikanische Luftarmy, by the way? Because I like the old one more. I was using it with the Nubia tree. I had to go and get a different one.
Yeah, I didn't touch that. I'll be
Okay.
honest. The icon shit I leave to them.
Oh, okay, these are all events.
I actually like the icons. I had trouble finding 3 distinctive ones though that were actually important.
Yeah.
There's a lot
That's
of.
good. Well, there you go, guys. So you can see the opening Middle Africa tree, which is basically done.
That's fucking weird.
It's changed. I remember.
And then you go to this side, which is just all fucking the same icon. But this side's very pretty, so look at that instead. What do I need to do? I believe with these new things, I can change the effect of this addresses the troops.
Oh man, this is gonna be the most fun bug fix I've ever done. Hey, this is
Right.
out.
If I'm just changing like
It
the
doesn't matter.
economic policies and stuff, you just use swap ideas, right?
Oh wait, you can.
Okay,
Just, wait, are you
all the
doing more than
localization
one
for that
higher or
military
lower?
tree is in my
Correct.
code, in
Pardon,
the
sorry?
files, but for some reason it doesn't load. It worked when I was still using Notepad++, but now that I switched to this, it don't work no more.
Your IDE does not determine what happens in the game. Come on, man, don't blame
No,
me.
it's not that. I mean, like, I'm trying to figure this out because they worked perfectly fine when I was using Notepad++ for the localization, but now that for some reason, the localization is broken now. Because all of the military descriptions and names in. But the military tree, as you can see, is defaulting to the actual file name.
Have you actually opened the loc file and just checked?
Yeah,
There's
I
no
have
like
it open
big red.
right now.
Is there a big red squiggy or something? Is the game.
Okay, this is probably it, but for some reason, all of the text is orange-ish.
That should be fine. No, loc normally is orange here. Like this.
Look, I'm just gonna share my screen full sail and just like show you.
Yes. Bread, quickly. You can use the step up, step down commands if you just want to move it by one.
Oh, do we have ones for
Okay,
conscription?
here we go. Here is
All
all
of them.
the
So, yeah.
Canadian
All of them, yeah.
military tree,
Oh, sweet.
descriptions and titles.
Mhm.
As you can see, for some reason,
It looks good.
yeah,
Is it-
that works. But in game, it's just not here, and I don't get that.
Where are these scripts? Are they scripted effects?
They're not.
Yeah.
They're just focused names and
I'm not
descriptions.
talking.
No.
Sorry, I'm talking about.
Hey,
something different.
Laurie
Talking about
and
the-
Macy's, why don't you guys go to the dev channel so that you guys can like properly work this out?
Okay.
All right.
Where's the damn dev channel? I just stop streaming. Stop streaming first. And figure out what the fuck I'm doing.
Okay.
Ah, there we go. Increased conscription. Oh,
Yes,
okay.
yeah. So as
Yeah.
I was gonna say, there's increased conscription and decreased conscription.
No, wait. That's the increased. It's the opposite of what this is supposed to be. Okay. I'm actually just gonna run through a bit. Maybe. What? Oh, it's because I've changed it, isn't it? Yeah, the end of the Second World Krieg. What? Why are my events not firing? I fucked up a bracket somewhere. No. Is it because the namespace has been changed? No. Oh, wow. Okay. Why have my names deleted? My events deleted themselves. Okay. I'm gonna have to restart my. My E4. How will you work? There we go. Hey. Stop barking at me, you stupid dog. Bum, dum, dum, bum. Right, I'm just gonna run through and make sure my shit's been broken. You're gonna have to be very quick to glance at all this shit. Because I ain't slowing down. What does that event trigger? Which one is that? What fire is it? No, it's not that one. Rogue event. It's fine. Oof. I won't sit here and praise my own events. Oh, and the unfinished localization as well. Oh shit! Wow, there you go. There's a league for you.
What?
Because I triggered the preceding event. So,
Oh my god, what? Not for a bit.
Yeah. Oh god. Why is he missing his portrait? Is that one we've requested? General development. Oh, the only one left without portrait. Okay. Okay, I actually can't.
Has anyone actually been watching this entire time?
I think a few people.
This
Maybe.
cannot be that
I
interesting.
got 18 spectators apparently, so oh god, this is all out of whack.
Alright, okay.
I'm gonna have to reset because this is happening out of order. That's gonna fuck with my head if I keep trying to do it like that. Yeah, I don't know what is triggering that. Looks like an unlocalized event.
Okay.
He's a gambling man.
Fixed it. Now it's just break hours. Break hours.
All right, it fixed. I got it fixed.
Hey, welcome back.
Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I just fixed a couple of zeros in some place, and it worked.
Let's ask ahead. Let's go.
Meanwhile, here come the Danubian reinforcements.
Here they come!
Oh, we're still watching.
The fucking glide.
Oh, it
Oh my
gets
god, I
better.
completely forgot about that.
Go to the other side of the map. There's more coming around West Africa.
Oh my god, there is as well. Those Portuguese bastards won't know what hit them. We use up the pincer strategy.
I'm fairly sure these are like mechanized Danubian divisions.
Yeah, they're like,
as well.
they're all.
I'm guessing we're going to have to do quite a bit of AI coding.
Four German divisions with Danubian tanks.
Oh
It's
god,
gonna be a wash, Africa is.
the Danubian Panzer Division have 40 combat width, so that's huge.
I'm guessing we're going to have to do a lot with the AI.
I am very excited to see what happens with the Madagascar revolt now.
Actually, if the AI is running, by the way, it immediately evacuates Madagascar as Middle Africa
Oh, okay.
to go and put them all on the lines. So unless you have an AI strats events telling it to put troops there, it's going to go unopposed.
I don't touch AI code. I'm not like a fucking warlock. I don't. I leave that for the sages and the
I have a
wise
terrible
old men.
sensation that at some point I will.
Yeah.
Because I will get frustrated by it enough to do something about it. That's basically how I do things.
Demobilize the men is
Koi
the
for
best.
Dev. I want something to happen.
Ooh.
People tell me how it works if I'm lucky.
Oh, this is all secret shit. You're not allowed to see that.
Okay, I gotta go real quick because I gotta make a sandwich. Behold, the Canada focus tree. I'm gonna make a sandwich. Bye. I'll be back.
Yeah,
I
so
don't cares about Canada anyway, not when Middle Africa's
No,
on
but
offer.
Middle
No
Africa
when the best nation. So yeah, this is Middle Africa. It's demobilization, and it takes a long ass time because it's a long ass country, if you can even call it that.
I call it a wide-ass country, actually.
It is long as well.
Ah, yeah, I
From
suppose.
here to here.
It's just
I
too
don't
much
think it's
of it.
even supposed to have that. I think that's incorrect borders.
Yeah,
But
aren't you supposed to own
Pre-alpha
Sudan?
work in progress. Nothing here is final. There we go. Covered our asses. Thanks, KRG GDP 1T.
Yeah, our GDP is so awesome. What happened to why is Dar es Salaam still not the capital? What is
Oh
this?
no, I haven't touched that.
Yeah, they did something with the mapping recently.
Yeah, they did. Should be here.
Dar es Salaam is on the map, it's just weird.
Yeah.
I guess
mean,
the
honestly,
state ID got changed, so you go and
there,
tell it.
so-
Oh, I know what it is. It's your country, your OOP file.
it'll be the history file is
Yeah.
not set right, yeah.
Just need to update your
I
state.
just haven't touched it whilst they've been doing the
Alright,
mapping
guys.
because I don't want to tread any toes and people get
Well, also, there's no
really
point touching-
passionate about mapping.
There's no point tweaking it, and then 2 days later you have to change it again because they weren't finished. So
Exactly.
I get it completely.
And I will say it again, people get very passionate about it, and I'm not here for that. You can see how lovely all of the Middle Africa.
I do like the icons.
Yeah,
more
they
red
do,
shit,
look,
man.
they do like
Red
sexy, but I
All
mean,
right, guys.
these are all at the lowest they can be.
No, yeah, not.
I mean, I wasn't sure what to do with taxation.
All right, guys, I'm gonna head out, but this is fun. We got like solid 4 hours of shit done, and I will. For those of you guys that missed parts of it, I'll upload at least part of the recording on YouTube, maybe the beginning. But anyway, have a good one.
Yeah. Wait, this means everything from now isn't going to be recorded.